Introducing the first and best 2024 phone with double video features. So you can record both front and back at the same time, plus the best night vision, 3D capture, best market price, and top-notch battery and processor. Hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and leave a comment. Let's dive in together. The Honor Magic 6 Pro was unveiled on January 11, 2024, and it's seriously impressive when it comes to the display. The Honor Magic 6 Pro features a generous 6.8-inch OLED display found on the standard phone. Moreover, it offers fantastic support for QHD+ resolution, elevating the overall user experience and delivering immersive colors. All thanks to the 120 Hz refresh rate. The phone screen is also equipped with a protective layer called Gerino glass, which acts as a shield against scratches and bumps. Additionally, the maximum peak brightness of 5000 nits is a great feature to have. The software team has integrated the latest Android 14 OS, which runs on the Magicos 8 interface. It's packed with fantastic customization options, allowing you to personalize the interface with gestures, widgets, and functions tailored to your daily needs. And there's a bunch of fun features waiting to be explored. On the flip side, you might come across a few bloatware apps scattered around. In terms of performance, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset is among the best that a current smartphone has to offer. With this setup, you can try different things, like gaming, and you can also count on multitasking and using social media apps. Moreover, you will get a flawless gaming session with the help of the Adreno 750 GPU, which gives you great graphics and visual support while gaming. The internal setup of this phone is absolutely top-notch, especially with the option to go for either 12 or 16 gigabytes of RAM, and internal storage ranging from a generous to 156 gigabytes all the way up to a whopping 1 TB. With that much storage space, you won't even need to worry about expanding it with an external memory card. The Honor Magic 6 Pro smartphone boasts a triple rear camera, led by a 50-megapixel primary lens with a superior aperture, enabling the sensor to capture rich colors and contrast for detailed photos and videos. Additionally, the primary lens features optical image stabilization, ensuring less distortion and fine details in every shot. Plus, daytime photos look fantastic. And the double video features make it even more versatile for capturing stunning video content. Night mode enriches colors, rendering clear details with effective noise reduction. The AI software brings additional perks to enhance the camera's performance. Additionally, the built-in camera app provides a range of photography and video editing features. You're all set to capture anything you like effortlessly. Plus, the phone features a 50MP ultra-wide lens, allowing you to shoot high-quality 4K videos with a range of recording features. Additionally, the powerful 180-megapixel periscope telephoto lens delivers exceptional optical zoom capabilities, surpassing even those found in flagship phones. Not to mention, the 50-megapixel front camera excels at capturing excellent photos and recording 4K videos. Finally, the device is equipped with a 5600 mAh lithium polymer battery, ensuring extended daily usage. You can enjoy over 9 hours of screen time during normal use, and play games for more than 4 hours, leaving approximately 20% of battery life afterward. Additionally, the phone supports 800 fast wired charging and 606 wireless charging for speedy recharging. Here's the pricing for the Honor Magic 6 Pro 12 Plus to 156 GB version, $800. 16 Plus 512 GB version, $875. 16 Plus 1 TB version, $945. We've tested out almost everything on the Honor Magic 6 Pro, and it's a solid choice in this price range. It boasts a stunning display, powerful performance, impressive graphics, good camera results, and a range of other features that are hard to come by in this category. We've tested out almost everything on the Honor Magic 6 Pro, And it's a solid choice in this price range. It boasts a stunning display, powerful performance, impressive graphics, good camera results, and a range of other features that are hard to come by in this category. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, drop a like, and leave your comments below.